Ananya and Mira's The Time Management Triumph. In the bustling city of Chandrapur, two schoolgirls named Ananya and Mira were renowned for their adventurous spirits and boundless creativity. One sunny morning, as they sat in class, their favorite teacher, Mrs. Sharma, introduced them to the enchanting realm of time management. Good morning, class, Mrs. Sharma exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Today, we're embarking on a time management triumph. Ananya and Meera exchanged eager glances, captivated by the idea of an adventure in the classroom. Mrs. Sharma explained how effective time management could transform their lives and help them achieve their dreams. With a flourish, Mrs. Sharma unveiled a vibrant time management sheet brimming with activities and time saving goals. Ananya and Mira's eyes lit up with excitement as they studied the sheet, eager to embark on their time management journey. Let's start with our morning routine, Mrs. Sharma began, pointing to the sheet. Ananya, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Ananya pondered for a moment before replying, About an hour, Mrs. Sharma. Let's aim to trim that down to 45 minutes, Mrs. Sharma suggested. Can you think of ways to save time during your morning routine? Ananya and Meera brainstormed together, envisioning ways to streamline their mornings and maximize efficiency. They breezed through breakfast, transformed their commute into a lively adventure, and even turned homework into a thrilling challenge. During lunch break, Ananya and Meera shared triumphant smiles, proud of the time they had saved. We're like time-saving superheroes, Ananya exclaimed, her eyes shining with excitement. With renewed vigor, they delved into their extracurricular activities, pouring their hearts into their passions. Ananya's origami creations dazzled the school, while Mira's coding projects impressed everyone with their innovation and sophistication. As weeks passed, Ananya and Mira's talents blossomed, earning them admiration and respect from their peers and teachers alike. With Mrs. Sharma's guidance, Ananya and Meera had not only mastered the art of time management but also unlocked their full potential. As they bid farewell to their teacher and headed home, they knew that their time management triumph was just the beginning of many more adventures to come. And with hearts full of excitement and ambition, they looked forward to the bright future that awaited them. Let's jump into Parent Child Activity for Time Management. Through this activity, you'll work together to create a time management chart and practice effective time management skills in a playful and interactive way. Introduction. Start by explaining the concept of time management to your child in simple terms. Use examples from everyday life to illustrate how managing time effectively can help achieve goals and make the most of each day. Brainstorming session. Sit down with your child and brainstorm a list of daily activities they typically engage in, such as waking up, getting ready for school, meal times, homework, extracurricular activities, playtime, and bedtime. Creating the time management chart. Using the list of activities, create a time management chart together on a piece of paper or poster board. Divide the chart into columns for each hour of the day and rows for different activities. Here is the draft chart for your reference. Allocating time. With your child, allocate specific time slots for each activity on the chart. Encourage them to consider how much time they currently spend on each activity and whether they can optimize their time to be more efficient. Color coding. Use colorful markers or crayons to color code the time management chart. Assign a different color to each type of activity to make it visually appealing and easier to understand. Practice session. Set aside a designated time each day to practice following the time management chart with your child. Use a timer or stopwatch to track the duration of each activity and encourage your child to stay focused and motivated. Reflection and adjustment. At the end of each day, sit down with your child to reflect on their experience with time management. Discuss what went well and areas where they can improve. Encourage them to make adjustments to the time management chart as needed based on their observations. Celebration. Celebrate your child's progress and achievements in mastering time management skills. Offer praise and encouragement to reinforce their efforts and motivate them to continue practicing. Ongoing support. Provide ongoing support and guidance to your child as they continue their time management journey. Offer encouragement, problem-solving assistance, and gentle reminders to help them stay on track and reach their goals. Through this engaging parent-child activity, your child will develop valuable time management skills that will serve them well throughout their lives. By working together to create and practice the time management chart, you'll help your child become more organized, focused, and empowered to make the most of their time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if it added value to you. Also, share the video with your loved ones.